Hello friends, welcome to my channel Junior Tech-Shikshak. My name is Harman Khosla. In this video, I will tell you and explain you about cryptography. So let's begin. I will show you here. Now the three terms of cryptography are hashing, SHA-256 and cryptographic hash function. Okay, the first term is hashing. So what is hashing? So hashing is like to chop the data, like we chop the carrot and all those things. So hashing is to chop the data. I will explain you that later. Now what is SHA-256? SHA full form is secure hash algorithm. Okay. Now 256 is the bit size, and the lots of bits are there like SHA1, SHA2, SHA256, MD5. Lots are there. They are used for different security levels. What is cryptographic hash function? The cryptographic hash function is all these functions. All the functions of the cryptography, like this bit only, is a 256 bit. So these are the hash functions. Okay. So this hash function SHA1, SHA2, SHA256, MD5, and what now I will show you what will be the bit size, the hash value of the 256 bit size. Here first, like if you write a plain text, like if I open notepad and type a text, like I type hello, so the hash function is SHA-256. When the 256 bit size will generate the random text. Like I will type hello, this is the plain text, and now it will convert into the SHA-256 and give us a random text that no one can decode. So like the random text can be anything like this, or like if it is a different bit size, like if it is MD5, so it will be long. Okay, any random text. I will tell you also how to encrypt it. If you want to encrypt it, no, just go on Google. Okay, you can search for online encryption, online cryptography, cryptography encryption. Okay, you can search it and encrypt your text. Like I will go on this one. See, so you can encrypt the text. So lots of security levels are there for this. So I am using the 256 one. So like text to encrypt, like I will type hello. Hello robot I will type. Now encrypt. So generating a random text. See here. Okay. See the random text. So this is the SSH 256 one. And lots of other types are also there. Okay. Like SHA1. I will click. This is the SHA1. So like I will input text hello. Generate. So it generated. Now if I want for MD5, so I go on MD5 one. Now I will type a text. I will type hello, what is your name? Okay, I type this. Enter. I will generate. See, it generated the random text. This text is stored in the database. Okay, so no one can access it. Like if some hacker access it, but he cannot decode it. So no one can decode the message. This is a random text. So you can also only decode this if it is stored in your computer database. Okay, I will show you here encrypting. Here, like I have a text fox. Okay, fox. And this is a cryptographic hash function SHA-256. And this is the hashed text. See here, this one. Okay, this is the size of 256 bit. Okay, now see this. I have a sentence. The red fox jumps over the blue dog. Okay, So this SHA-256 converting the text. Okay, this. Okay, it's converting the text. Now I have a different sentences also. The red fox jumps over. So it is a spelling mistake. So the full code is changed. See, this the red fox jumps over the blue dog. This code is different, and the red fox jumps over. So this the spelling mistake. So the full code is changed. So this is the cryptography. It is very secure. This much only for this video. Have a great day.